Hello again, this is UML Operator. Since I talk about Sparx Enterprise Architect's EAExample project included in every Sparx installation, I thought I would talk more about it and show you how to get it in a place where you can best work with it. Now, Sparx on their website will tell you that the EAExample file is in your install directory. So x86 is 32-bit, program files is your 64-bit installation. I use 64-bit, but it's in the same place. Sparx Systems install folder, EA path, all right? So you can go and grab the version they install there for you and create your own copy. So here we are in a program file, Sparx Systems folder under the EA folder, and this is the file we're looking for right here. We simply want to copy this file to a destination where we can play with it. This is read-only version locked down. You want a version of your own for training. So I simply copy from this path to this path, and then I launch it from here. From here, I open a project, I go to where I copied it, and then I hit open. And here's an important part for people that are just starting out. Pin this, right-click on it, and then pin connection. This way it'll always be here for you to reference until you're such an expert on Sparx Enterprise Architect, you don't need it anymore. Then launch it, and as soon as it launches, there's a couple of things you can do. In the browser folder, you can create a root node. So we're going to add a root node, and then we're just going to call it training, right? Because now we can write in this folder. And that way, when you're going through some of the exercises with me or following Sparx, you're able to create your own training, testing, and you can copy items out of here and not be afraid of messing them up, right? So you want to keep these as stable as possible. Create your own training environment. That way, when we get into some of the subjects like database modeling, conceptual modeling, things like that, you can copy some of these elements, bring them into your own work area, and play till your heart's content without fear of messing it up. And, you know, if you do mess up your EAExample file, just simply copy it from the program install folder and start over.